Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn about accounting step by step. Start by mastering double-entry bookkeeping, basic financial statements, and transaction analysis to build a solid foundation. Focus on the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, and learn common terms like assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expense. Use simple examples like recording sales and expenses to practice journal entries and reconciliations until the process becomes familiar and reliable. Build understanding by breaking down core concepts into short lessons and quick exercises you can repeat. Study the accounting equation, how transactions affect accounts, and the flow of entries from journals to ledgers to statements. Practice recognizing revenues versus expenses and reconciling cash balances to statements. Use sample transactions to see how journal entries affect financial statements and to reinforce the link between bookkeeping and reporting. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful lessons. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which handles floors while you focus on ledger entries and study sessions. Voice control makes multitasking a breeze. It feels like getting a tidy desk without lifting a finger. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set a consistent practice routine that mixes theory, examples, and software practice to build confidence. Work through sample ledgers, post-to-T accounts, and prepare monthly statements from trial balances. Try small business scenarios, process invoices, record payroll entries, and reconcile bank statements. Regularly review mistakes, ask targeted questions, and gradually increase complexity with inventory, depreciation, and tax forms like Form 1099 to broaden your practical skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.